In this video, we'll be telling about how to connect to Wi-Fi in your Android phone. If you are connecting to others' Wi-Fi, you can use internet from that device. Anyways, to connect to Wi-Fi, first thing what you can do is go to your notification panel. In notification panel, here you can see Wi-Fi icon. Just long press on this icon. When you are long pressing on that icon, you will reach Wi-Fi settings. If you are not able to do this, what you can do is go to settings. When you are going to settings, here you can see Wi-Fi option, but according to brands, this may change. I am using Poco phone. In some brands phone, it will be inside some other settings. So if you are having any confusion, what you can do is here you can see search settings option, click on that option, and here you can search for Wi-Fi. When you are searching for Wi-Fi, you can see Wi-Fi option, click on Wi-Fi. When you are clicking on that, you will reach that page. To connect to Wi-Fi, what you need to do is you need to turn this on. After that, your phone will start to scan for Wi-Fi. Here you can see available networks. You can connect to any Wi-Fi which you want. Select the Wi-Fi which you want to connect. For example, I want to connect to this Wi-Fi. When you are clicking on that, if there is password, they will ask to enter password. After entering password, down here you can see connect option, click on connect. When you are clicking on that, it will be connected. And one thing is that this password you should enter only once. After that, it will connect automatically. After that, if that Wi-Fi is in range, you don't need to open the settings. When your Wi-Fi option is turned on only, it will automatically connect. So this way you can easily connect to Wi-Fi in your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.